Welcome back to Central Texas with Superior Cuts and Styles and Sir Reginald right here in Killeen, Texas. Today we're going to do what I call the makeover, which is pretty much a lock style. As you can see, these locks haven't been touched or retwisted in about the past 6 months, so we had to go through and separate each and every lock. And now we're going to begin our cut procedure. I'm going to use a technique called a reverse fading technique, or a top-down cutting technique, which is just, the opposite of the bottoms-up technique, which no matter which one you choose to do, it's about the same. There's no one that's better. It's just, a stylish preference. As you can see, I'm using absolutely no guards for those of you out there watching. This is a no guard ball fade. And we're going to use this product, the spray and lock. I prefer spray and lock over some of the other products that may have a high petroleum base in it. It doesn't leave the hair sticky, doesn't leave the hair like you got a jerry curl or anything going on. Chemically, it's one of the most sound formulas that I've worked with. And here's our finished product of that. We got the faded sides. We went ahead and did a braid style up top. And we successfully took this gentleman from, "Please sir, may I have a quarter," to "Where the chick's at." If you're enjoying that beat that you was listening to, go to Ezekiel Beats 254 on IG and go ahead and copy a sample of that. You guys be blessed.